Do the hug, just a hug. Once you get that hug, you're good. And just watch your pattern. Good. No, keep turning, keep turning. Look at the pattern. Keep turning. One more turn. Yep, there you go. Now push it down in the middle, in the center. Okay. Good. And always get 2 at a time like you do. Yep, because like that you're not confused. Good. Don't turn it. Once you have it sit on that pattern, don't turn it, because now you see so now you see the error. You don't want to do that. So just goes like this. Okay. See? Once you good, snug. Put that. Give me that snug. Good. So once you get, see, you have to follow that spiral. You're doing great. Okay. You have once you see that spiral, just follow where the black or the gold is with the spiral. Don't be nervous. Just go ahead. Hug it. Just hug it. See, once you hug it, it sits on that. You didn't hug it. Yeah, there you go. You see? Okay, little tighter hug. That's it. Okay? Could you feel it? If you feel the tension, the pull? Okay. So now, and don't bounce on it. Once you do it, that's it. All right. So done.